Welcome to Next Level Tech, where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary living experiences. Get ready to explore amazing ideas that will upgrade your home and elevate your lifestyle. Idea number 1. Take a look at this incredible transformation under-stair storage that not only beautifies your home but also gives you with additional space to stow away your luggage. Now you are equipped with extra drawers for anything you wish to keep organized and out of sight, blending seamlessly with your home's design. Idea number 2. Have a look at another idea full of transformation of your staircase with oak and glass refurbishment that infuses your home with a touch of sophistication. This exquisite design not only complements the aesthetic of your space but also opens it up, creating a seamless flow that enhances both light and layout. The blend of natural oak with transparency of the glass brings a modern yet timeless appeal, ensuring your staircase becomes a central piece of art in your home. Idea number 3. Rim boxes on the wall. An elegant solution that elevates the look of any room. This design features adds a sophistication architectural element to your walls, creating depth and interest with the geometric pattern. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but it also brings tailored look that can complement any interior style. That's all from today's video. See you in the next video.